So this is how long. Hey guys, so I'm exhausted. All of these were supposed to be individuals. The back I had, okay, so I just did these. This is how the back looks. I'm gonna sew this part down, but I'm gonna sew this part down. I am exhausted. All of this was supposed to be individuals, but it is 1 in the morning and I'm exhausted. So that's why I braided it like that. Those will be crocheted on, and the front that I have separated right here will be individuals. So I got this back from Amazon. There's a million in here. And this is the 4-pack of 36-inch. And these are long. They're up to my kneecap. So I'm gonna take the crochet hook. Open it. Hook it on. Open it again. And pull it. So I know people usually get it from the middle, but I get it from the end. Make it into a hook. And I hold the smallest side to lock my braid. Open it a bit. And start wrapping. And you don't want to twist too tight because then the lock will be stiff. And you don't want stiff locks because it's going to be like that. Like the Cynthia doll from Rugrats standing on your head. So guys, I did this much. I did the front, this the back. And you know I'm going to keep it real with y'all. When you twist in this part, ignore that. Ain't gonna, mine's not come out perfect. I'm alright with that. But when you twist in this part, do not twist it too tight because my scalp was on fire. So don't twist it too tight. So for the back part, like I said, I'm just going to crochet it. So this is what I've done so far. So for right here that I already took out, I'm going to put that through. My only thing with doing it crochet this way, I feel like you tend to add more here than you need to since you're trying to cover the part of the braid and the parts. So I'm going to try not to put too much because I still already have a lot of hair up here and I don't want too much hair because then my head is going to be wobbling. When I put this ponytail down, you're going to see how much hair is there. So you're not going to have to like cover it or anything. It's going to be good. So I'm going to show y'all the back. So this is how the back looks. See it? And I'm going to pull all the hair down so you can see it. Y'all, this is 36 inches, so bear with me in the tangling because this is long. So it's very long. So that is how it came out. What I'm going to, you see how it's still kind of stiff? So I'm gonna try and like loosen that. I'm going to take my Shine Jam mousse. Just put it all, and this is also to soothe my scalp because of how tight it is. So this is how long the hair is. 36 inches. This is the color. So we're gonna do skincare right now. What I'm going to do first is use this Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. This is what it looks like. Has a sponge. You're gonna damp the sponge in water. And then lather it. Get it all over your face. Now we're gonna wash this out. So now we washed our face, washed it off. So now I'm going to use this Even Tone Daily Defense Mineral Moisturizer. This is the tubing. So put some right hand. Oh, by the way, I have dry skin. Now, if you have dry skin like I do, I highly recommend this product. I got it off Amazon. Can you see that? It's by Smith & Nephew. Highly recommend. And you do not need that much. Oops, put too much. Last step for our skincare, the Super C Brightening Serum. So this is how it looks. So you're gonna want to take, it says 3 to 4 drops, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what is going to have your face literally brighten. Skin. Now let's get into these nails, y'all. We love our nails looking nice and proper and cute. So I'm using these Kiss Gel Fantasy press-on nails, and we're gonna install them because acrylic is mad money and they damage nails. So I prefer this method better. So here I'm just using this toothpick. I'm push my cuticles back. Now I'm filing my nails down, get all the shininess out of it. And we're using the nail glue. I'm putting it on the nail, and I'm going to put the nail glue on my actual nail so it gets sticky. And now I'm pressing the nail on my hand, on my finger, which I pressed on for about 5-10 seconds. And these are how it came out. Thanks for watching. New video every Saturday. Just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And